getting it wrong because you just don't want to take 20 seconds to type it in your calculator. They're all x to the third. 8 minus 7 is what?
1
plus 16.
17.
17, x to the third.
That's the answer?
Yes.
That's all.
Now, if I look at 11. Now, if you have multiple variables in a term, that's okay. Like this one, I have a squared b and a squared b. If they're the exact same variable and exponent, a squared b, you just combine the coefficients. What is negative 4 plus 10?
6.
6. Keep a squared b the same. And then I need to put what?
Plus 7.
Plus 7. 7 is my constant. There's no other constant to combine it with, so I keep it as plus 7. If I look at 12, okay, what are my like terms for 12?
XY.
XY. So 2xy minus 7xy. So what is 2 minus 7?
Negative 5.
xy.
7.
What else do I need to put?
Plus 4y squared.
Plus 4y squared
Plus x squared.
plus x squared. There's nothing to put 4y squared and x squared with, so I just write it down. Okay. 13. If I look at 13.
AB.
AB. 7 AB minus 10 AB.
Negative 3.
Yep. 7 minus 10. Negative 3 AB.
Plus 8 squared.
Yep. Plus
B squared.
b squared. The order you put it doesn't really matter. I'm not going to be super picky right now what order you put it. Constants usually go at the end, but I don't have any in that case. Okay, 14, like terms. 14,
Add them all.
what are my like terms?
X squared.
X squared.
Yep, so 4x squared minus 3x squared.
1.
4 minus 3 is 1. You don't put the 1, so it's just x squared. And then 2x plus 8x.
10.
10x. You guys can all do this.
So
I promise. You guys can all do this. Now, 15 and 16 are a little trickier, but it's the same idea. You guys can do it. Get it. Just because you see perimeter, you might not be familiar with it. You can still get it. Keep your head up, please. Landon, head up. Thank you. Okay, if I look at 15, I want the perimeter. When I ask for the perimeter of any shape, what am I looking for? How do I find the perimeter of any shape? Add all the sides. Okay? For middle school. If I want the perimeter of any shape, you add all the sides. So for this triangle, I'm going to take my 3 sides and add them together. One side is what? 2x plus 1, plus another side is, plus the other side is x. If I want the perimeter, you add all the sides. So I take my sides and add them together. Combine like terms, which will be 2x plus 3x plus x. Add the coefficients. 2 plus 3 plus 1. 6. If there's no coefficient there, there's no number in front, it's a 1. 2 plus 3 plus 1. So 6x, and then I need to put plus 1. And that is my perimeter, because I added all the sides together. 16. What issue do I have with 16? There's only 2 sides. I still want the perimeter, so I still add all the sides. But they only give you 2.
Get times by 2.
We could do that, but that's kind of what we're going to talk about Monday. How can I figure out the missing sides? Yes?
Well, since all sides are equal, but well, 2 sides are equal to each other, so you could just put the same one that's on
Okay.
that side, put on the other, and same.
So what's the right side going to be?
Y plus 2.
Y plus 2. The opposite sides are equal, so y plus 2, y plus 2. The bottom one's going to be 3y minus 5. Now let me show you a different way. You can add this vertically if you want to. It's the same thing, it's just a different way to write it. So if you want to write it vertically and line up your like terms, 3y minus 5 we can put y plus 2 right underneath this. So if you want to add it vertically, it doesn't matter. If you have a long list like this, sometimes it's easier to line up the like terms. 3y minus 5 plus y plus 2 plus 3y minus 5 plus y plus 2. Doesn't matter. You could also just write out the long list. And then go through. Don't make this harder than it is. What's 3y plus y
4y,
plus 3y
7y,
plus y?
8y.
8y. And then you add your constant. Don't put plus yet. We might not be plus. Add your constants. Negative 5 plus 2
-3,
minus 5
-8,
plus 2.
-6.
So 8y minus 6. If you have trouble with adding and subtracting negative numbers, then use your calculator. Negative 5 plus 2 minus 5 plus 2. Negative 6. And that is your answer. Okay, any questions on that? Okay, I'll grade it. So you have 20 minutes. You should be able to get this done. Like I said, my goal in this class is to almost never give you homework.